Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, lived a girl named Lily. She had golden curls, bright blue eyes, and a heart full of dreams. But Lily's biggest dream of all was to become a fairy. She imagined herself with shimmering wings, a wand that sparkled like the stars, and the power to spread magic and joy everywhere she went. Every night, Lily would sit by her window and whisper her wish to the moon. "I wish I could be a fairy," she would say, closing her eyes tightly, hoping that one day her wish would come true. One evening, as Lily wandered through the forest near her home, she stumbled upon a glowing flower, unlike anything she had ever seen. It sparkled with golden dust, and as she touched it, a soft voice filled the air. "You have a kind heart, Lily. Do you truly wish to be a fairy?" Lily gasped as a tiny fairy appeared before her. She had silver wings and a dress that shimmered like the morning sun. "Yes," Lily said eagerly. "More than anything in the world." The fairy smiled. "To be a real fairy, you must show kindness, courage, and a heart full of love. Are you ready for a challenge?" Lily nodded excitedly. The fairy gave Lily a small crystal and said, "Help someone in need, and this crystal will glow. When it shines brightly, you will earn your wings." Determined, Lily searched for ways to help others. She shared her lunch with a hungry bird, helped a lost kitten find its way home, and comforted a sad friend with a warm hug. With every good deed, the crystal glowed a little brighter. One day, a great storm hit the village, and a little boy was too scared to cross the flooded path. Without hesitation, Lily held his hand and guided him safely home. As soon as she did, the crystal in her pocket shone like the sun. Suddenly, a soft wind swirled around her, and golden sparkles filled the air. Lily felt a gentle tickle on her back. She had wings, beautiful, glittering wings, just like a real fairy. The fairy reappeared and smiled. "You have proven that true magic comes from kindness and love. You are now a fairy in heart and spirit." From that day on, Lily used her fairy magic to spread happiness wherever she went. Though she still looked like an ordinary girl, those who knew her could see the sparkle of a true fairy in her heart. And so, Lily's dream came true. Not because of magic, but because she had the most powerful gift of all, kindness.